So we've been getting some good feedback on this apartment growing style that we've been doing here in Northeast Georgia. And we want to continue on with the series by showing you how we're going to be planting some seeds out here in apartment life. But before we do that, we have to sterilize our seed starting mix so that way we can get a good germination rate. Now, we've done a video already on how to sterilize your seeds, but we never did why. So in this video, we're going to show you why you should sterilize your seed starting mix. And we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube gardeners? It's your boy, Sydney from the Naked Garden channel. Hopefully after watching this video, you'll learn why we sterilize our seed starting mix. Now, there's several ways that you can sterilize your seed starting mix. There's two methods that we normally do, and we add an extra additive into the seed starting mix once we get it sterilized. The first way that you can do it is you can either freeze it, or you can either boil some water and pour the boiling water into the seed starting mix into a container and put a cover on it, get the steam going, mix it all up, not with your hands, hopefully with some type of utensil, and let that set till it gets about room temperature. Once it gets to about room temperature, check for the moisture content in there. You might have to add some peat moss or some cocoa coir in there to get it a little bit hydrated and dry, get it to a nice mixture, so that way it will be ready for you to use as your into your seed starting. So the reason why you want to do this, because this is a good example. Here, when you're picking up the bag, you don't really know till you, unless you're really looking through it. I just grabbed it, this bag, and you can see there's already a hole punctured through there, and I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's still kind of wet, and this been since Sunday, and it's, what's today, Thursday now. The temperature and the humidity here in Northeast Georgia is quite different from what Texas is. Texas is very dry and humid in some parts, but here's just real neutral. There's no humidity in the air. For the house plants that I've had in here, I water them probably once every 4 to 6 weeks. I mean, back home, we almost have to water almost every day. Well, not every day, but once a week, if not, more than that. This is a great example of why you want to do this. And the reason is because with this bag being open, you have a chance of bugs and fungus, gnats, or any bugs in here that could lay their eggs in here and waiting for you to provide some type of food. And the food would be the seeds that you put in there as it starts to sprout and has some roots. The eggs from there will start eating off of to the roots. This is my simulation of roots. The eggs and the larva and the bugs that starts to hatch out of the soil will start eating off your roots and basically killing off your seedlings. So this is one of the reasons why you want to sterilize your seed starting mix. It's very easy. We're going to show you two methods how we're going to do them, and then after that we're going to plant some seedlings from there. So let's get going. I'm going to dump this into here. We're going to get a container, start the oven, put about 400 degrees, maybe 450, and we're going to set a timer for about every 15 minutes to stir the mixture of the seed starting mix, so that way we can make sure the heat gets all through there. All right, so let's get growing. 4 days now, and it's still kind of damp. And that's the reason why we already had some sterilized seed starting mix. I try to put it in with the old seed starting mix to kind of get it a little bit dry. We're going to use the one that we're putting in the oven, and once that get done baking and we're doing our mixtures and turning of that, we'll add it in here to get it a little bit dry, but we're just going to add just a little bit at a time. How about that much? And then we're going to stir it up. Been about 30 minutes to an hour. We got the cool down now. It's easy to use with your hands. As you can see, it's very it's still moist and not that much water dripping out of there, so it's about a nice consistency that you want to use for your seed starting mix. If you want to add a little bit more protection, you can add some cold pressed neem oil in here. Eggs, larvae, bugs that was able to survive from the boiled water that you wasn't able to get to, then the neem oil will definitely slow down the cycle and stop the cycle of the fungus, gnats, spider mites, whatever may be in here to kill off your seedling starts. If you know any other type of way that you can sterilize your seeds or seed starting mix, comment down below. We definitely would like to learn other type of ways that you can sterilize your seed starting mix. Now we do different videos. I'll put the playlists above showing you how you can grow your own food in the apartment. If you're living in an apartment that you may have a patio, a balcony, or maybe not even neither one of those. We'll put the playlist above so that way you can follow along and see how we're growing in the apartment life. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Until the next video, let's grow together.